Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Gboard is the active keyboard and the languages you need are installed. Open Settings, set Gboard as default, then open Gboard's languages and add each language keyboard. Once done, enable multilingual typing and glide typing so predictions work across languages. You're doing this to ensure Gboard has the language models locally and the input modes turned on. Without those, corrections and suggestions won't appear. Now move to adjusting layout and input prioritization for smooth switching. Now focus on priority and personalization so predictions feel accurate. You should reorder languages in Gboard's Languages panel so your main language is listed first. This influences autocorrect and suggestions. Make sure use system language aligns with your chosen primary and disable it if it conflicts. Also open text correction to set autocorrect strength and personalize suggestions for each language. Doing this improves how Gboard decides which language to autocorrect to when you switch between tongues in one sentence. Finish by testing. Type mixed language sentences in your messaging app and switch languages with the spacebar or globe key. If suggestions or multilingual corrections still misbehave, clear Gboard's cache or force stop and reinstall to refresh language models. This fixes corrupted downloads. Make sure system updates are applied and permissions like microphone are granted for voice input. If problems persist, disable personalized suggestions briefly to rule out account data conflicts. One tip: after reinstall, re-add languages and reboot to ensure changes stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.